So guys, first thing we need is a mouse. Wireless or wired, doesn't matter. So it's because of the right click. I'm not a tech savvy guy, so I don't know what to, what to put, shift, control, whatever, and then, make the option to do this with the right click. So what we do is you got to download Google Voice, and then get your number. If you're getting it off, Google for Realtor, just copy and paste, and then, same thing as your Google Voice, just copy and paste right there, and then start calling. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it on my spreadsheets. These are my prospects that I've been cold calling. So I go here, I click on it. Like if I was to edit it, the number, add or delete or whatever, and then I right click. And you see that right there, call. It's gonna go to call, go to my email that I use for Google Voice, and then now you can see is the number we're gonna call. It's gonna start calling, whether the person answers or not. Yeah, it looks like this number doesn't really exist because that's why it's in the gray, because I gotta find it. Anyways, and then you can text. You can text that number. Hey, my name, and blah, blah, blah. This way it's faster for you, because instead of you hand dialing on your phone all 9 numbers, you just double click, another click, and then bam, calling right away. So hopefully this helps, guys. This is